It is required to fix a pipe such that water flowing through it at a speed of 7 meters per minute fills a tank of capacity 440 cubic meters in 10 minutes. The inner radius of the pipe should be. Now, if we were to visualize this question, it would be like this. Okay, so there is this pipe. Okay, and let's say this is the radius, r is the radius of this pipe, and this pipe is filling this tank whose capacity is given to us as 440 cubic meters. So 440 cubic meters. All right, and we are given that this pipe fills this tank in 10 minutes. Okay, the inner radius, so we have to find out the value of r here. So let's say that this pipe here is a cylinder. Let's visualize this as a cylinder. So this r is the radius of the cylinder, and let's say this is the height of the cylinder. Okay, this is the height. Now what is the volume of the formula to calculate the volume of cylinder? It is pi r square h. All right, so this is the formula to calculate the volume of the cylinder, which is pi r square h. Now pay attention here how I am using this question in my favor. Now we are told that it is required to fix a pipe such that water flowing through it at a speed of 7 meters per minute. Okay, the pipe is filling this tank at a rate of 7 meters per minute. Okay, so what I'll visualize is, I know there is this long pipe. Okay, so I won't care about this entire pipe. I'll just take this part. Okay, and let's say that this is 7. Okay, the height here is 7. So that means 7 meters per minute is filled. So in our case, the volume of cylinder here is pi r square h. So instead of h, what I'll write is pi r square. Instead of h, I'll write 7. So this much of water, this much volume of water is filled per minute. Okay, but it is taking 10 minutes to fill this entire tank. It is taking 10 minutes to fill this entire tank. So that means if this much water is filled per minute, if we multiply this by 10, we'll fill the entire capacity of the tank, and the entire capacity of the tank is 440. We have found our equation. All we have to do is just solve this equation and we'll get the value of r. So let's solve this. So 440 is equals to, instead of pi, I'll write 22 by 7 r square. So r square is what we need, into 7 into 10. So 7 gone, 0 gone, 22 ones are 22 twos are, r square is equals to 2, or I can say that r is equals to under root 2, and this is our required answer. So here option A is the correct one.